These are all US based. 1 to 3 posts per week is ideal, with a minimum of 18 hours between posts. But what they stressed more so is they just want to see like regular cycles.
Consistency.
Yeah. So if you're consistent, 1 to 3 posts is ideal. Perfect. But even 1 post is better than 3 if that 1 is consistent.
Consistent. If you post 3 at Friday afternoon, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then, whatever, don't do it for 2 weeks and then another 3. It's like, that's the opposite of what they want. They want consistency going out.
Exactly. The report mentioned like best moments to publish. Like I won't go over all the days, but like they even broke it down. Yeah, they even broke it down. Like for example, it's like Mondays, like between 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. is best. But on the contrary, on Tuesdays, 8 a.m. to 11:15 is best.
Yeah.
So it's interesting, and the full report breaks down why like each of these days are different from what they saw, what industries they analyzed, and so forth. But with that, the tagline was engagement during the first 90 minutes is key.
Got it.
So that should be like the focal point.